Hello family, welcome back to the farm. Yeah, actually, as usual, the weather is always like this, and I thank God that I'm doing great, and hopefully also on your side you're doing great. So I'm on the farm right away, and the weather, one thing that I love with the weather nowadays, actually, it's always gloomy like this, but never cold. Yeah, I'm really feeling a cool breeze right now, and the weather is calm and everything is okay. So I'm here actually, and it's another day, it's another bright day, and I thank Almighty again for this day that I managed to open my eye. So I really appreciate Almighty a lot for the gift of life. You know, better one thing that you have always to come back and appreciate daily is the life. The moment you're alive, then you have to uh, give back thanks to the Creator. Yeah, so that's why I'm doing this. So family, welcome officially to the farm. Today's video actually is dedicated to you directly, and let me take this opportunity to thank all of you who have been always there to watch my videos. I really appreciate you a million times. Yeah, you guys are the best. Remember, you guys are the best always, and I'm really working hard day and day so that at least you guys can get to know and also be keeping posted every day so that we all be in the same page. And like I said, and I've been saying it, if you have any question about the place, kindly don't hesitate yourself, just ask, and you'll get answers. I'm here for you guys. Yeah, so today I've just woken up, and my aim was just to go and check up on remember we were having some nursery, vegetable nursery on the other side. So today I was supposed to wake up early, go check up on it, and because yesterday it didn't rain, so I'm supposed to go and water it right away. So I'm here, and I was trying to let me show you. I was trying to do some activities here, though it was out of camera, but I've been here very early in the morning, and this is what I've done so far. I'm trying to weed up the place, because the weed actually, they are really growing fast at this place, because we are at the swampy area. So weeds, after 1 week, 2 weeks, you get them, they're already out. So I was trying to dig up them so that the place can remain clean and also uh, ready for plantation. So guys, today I wanna take you briefly. Actually, this point over here, I'm gonna set a small portion. It will be, I'll just divide two portions. One which will be on this side. I'm gonna put some corianders here. Then actually, I don't know if I'm gonna, I think I'll put 3 of them. Yeah, one will be having corianders. The second one will be having how are they called, carrots. Yeah, carrots. Then the third one, which will be on the far post here, I'll be putting some bell peppers. Yeah, actually I'm having some seeds, and I wanna try them here to see how they're gonna perform. So I'm having them, and I think by tomorrow I'll be setting up these portions, 3 of them, and I'll be having some corianders here. So actually this week we are going to have, oh my god, the sun is almost out. Yeah, I love it when it's out, but let's forget about it. So I was saying, we are going to have this week some of different types of veggies at the farm, and I'll start by corianders, following by carrots, then later the bell peppers. So I'm gonna see how they're gonna manage on a serious note, because this time around I'm not going to tolerate any disturbance or any intruders. Like, I'm gonna be serious on this, because last time I remember putting the carrots there, actually they were being theft with, like, within a few months people started stealing them, and they were not even ready yet, but I had to forget about it. But this time around I'm doing this on a serious note, and I'm gonna try this to see if it's gonna work out. So guys, I'll just keep you posted about what will be going on, and remember, kindly just be there for any update that I'll be releasing. So that is what I'm planning for this week, and let's see how it's gonna go down. Yeah, I believe everything is gonna be alright now that we are having the kales on the other sides. So I believe that we're gonna have something this season at our farm, and I'm gonna also prepare the remaining space on the other side there, this portion in the middle, and also here, so that we can get to have also something on them. Yeah, so that you find this place won't be bare again. So that is my plan. So I'm trying all my best to do what I can, so that at least we can get to see what to do. But so far so good. I really appreciate what I've been doing here. I have to appreciate myself, because I'm doing something that maybe with me I might say maybe I'm not doing perfect, like I'm not doing it right, but at least coming here every day, morning to evening, like, I have to consider that time, and I also have to appreciate me coming here, whether I'm doing an activity or not. But as long as I'm here, I'm at peace. Yeah, because this place really gives me a lot of peace, and especially peace of mind, and a lot of like freedom, you know. So I really love this farm, and I'm ready for anything, and I'm also ready to make it happen the way I want. So that's why I'm here, and I really appreciate so far where I have reached. Like, it has not been easy. I remember me starting this place, actually I didn't know if I'm gonna manage to do it, but finally I'm here, and I can see everything is going smoothly, and I believe that soon possible we're gonna have some big transformation from this point, and I can't wait that to happen. Now that I'm here every day, it must happen no matter what. Yeah, so I'm here, actually I'm standing beside the borehole. I want to fetch some water because I'm feeling thirsty. Yeah, I'm having some bottle here. Let me fetch water so that I can drink at least. Yeah, guys, our water is very clean, very nice. Yeah, you can use it. Actually, it's so tasty. Yeah, the water is very sweet. Hmm. Wow, it's nice. So this water actually you can use it in any purpose that you wanna use: cooking, washing utensils, drinking, anything. Like it's multi-purpose. Yeah, and I really love it. Hmm. So this is the one of the achievement that we've done so far here in the farm, because I remember we were not having water the moment we started this place, but right now I came up and cleaned this borehole over here. Now that we are having very clean water, and it's so plenty. Yeah, so any moment that I'm working from the farm and I feel like, you know, I have to, like, I feel like thirsty, tired, I can just come with my cup, fetch some, and, you know, drink. Yeah, actually I'm drinking this. It's kind of in the morning, but actually right now the time is around it's around 10. Yeah, it's around 10 a.m. So people might wonder, why am I drinking water this early? No, actually water doesn't have time. Yeah, there is no time for drinking water. You can drink anytime you want. If it's 6 in the morning a.m., late evenings, in the middle of the night, like water doesn't have time, because this is what keeps us alive. Without water, let me tell you, you can eat the way you want, be full, but you will be full, but in that uh, your food, like, you have to, like, it's, there must be something missing, and that something is water. Because if you eat and you'll get yourself satisfied, then you have to drink water final. Like, you have to drink water after finishing eating, because water helps in digestion of your food. When you eat your food, the food must go and start the digestion process. So you must have to drink a lot of water, so that it can help in your digestion. I mean the, yeah, digestion system. So, and also water, before you eat that food, you have to use water to cook that food. You understand? So it means water is everything. You can live a long food, but you can drink water and you can still stay alive. Yeah, you can stay alive for a long period of time just by drinking water, because water is everything. Like our body, the moment you work, you lose a lot of sweat, so your body becomes dehydrated, you know. So that's why even if you go to the hospital, uh, maybe you are some, let's say you are sick and you get treated, in the precaution that the doctor always gives you, he must tell you that be drinking a lot of water. Yeah, because water helps a lot in our body, and water is everything, and water also is life. Yeah, so that's why I'm drinking it, because I've been working uh, since morning, and I've also sweated, so I'm just trying to regain my energy that I've just lost it while I was digging up the place. So that is it. So this helps a lot, and keeps you uh, strong and energetic, so that you can continue with working. So water is life. Yeah. So family, actually, um, this is what it is. it is what it is. So that's what I've been meaning to. So actually, from this point, I'm gonna, because I'm having also something to do there before I leave, because I wanna leave this place to the other side, go check up my vegetables. I mean, vegetable nursery on the other side, so that I can get to water it and leave it until in evening times. So before that, I'm having actually today I came with some seeds. Guys, do you know what? This week it's I don't know what came up to me, but this week I've been just be planting. I started with some cowpeas and the kales on the vegetable there, vegetable nurseries. Today also I'm having some seeds and I'm gonna plant them. Are how do we call them? Pumpkin seeds. Yeah, I'm having pumpkin seeds. I'm gonna place them so that we can have also some pumpkins on the farm. Remember, pumpkin leaves, they're very sweet. Yeah, they're very sweet, and they serve as vegetables, so they're very nice. So I'm gonna have them here. Also, they will help somewhere. Yeah. So actually, I'm now satisfied with water. Let me close it. Yeah, let me close it so that you can get to continue. Let me put it here. Yep. So I was telling you that I'm having some pumpkin seeds, and I'm gonna plant them right away so that you can also have some pumpkin leaves here, and also fruits. You know, remember, pumpkin has very sweet fruits. Yeah, and I think they have some of the minerals. I don't know, but yeah, they are very nice. So here they are. These are pumpkin seeds. Yeah, pumpkin seeds, and I'm gonna have them. I'm gonna plant them here along this place so that at least we can get to have them here also. So guys, let's do this. Yeah, let me set my camera. So that we can also plant them. Yeah, so on this side also I'm gonna have them. Yeah, now you have to make some holes so that you can get to plant them. Yeah, like this. Okay. So yeah, let me now let them now to grow, and may God help them to grow faster. Yeah, so I've just placed some, and I'm gonna let them now to grow, and God also to help them grow very fast, so that you can start it. Yeah, so actually that is what was holding me up here, and I think now I've just finished everything on this side, so I'm gonna move to the other side up there, so that we can go and check our vegetable nursery how it's doing. Yeah, because I came with my water can, it's all over there, so that we can go and see if we're gonna manage to water them up, because nowadays rain is like, you can't just depend on it. You can't keep your hopes on the rain, because like yesterday it was the weather was like this, and it was really showing up like it's gonna rain in a very few minutes, but it didn't show up. So what I'm gonna do is keep watering, because I can't depend on the rain. Yeah, because the month that we are approaching right now, it's not for the rain. Actually, the rain is now going, so you need to not to put your high expectation of the rain now that it's not there. So you have to do it manual, and doing it manual is now watering. So guys, I'll just tell you, keep watching the video, and don't get off your screen kindly. Let's finish this, because if you get there, then you're gonna miss a lot. So I'm going on the other side, and I'll hit you when I'm there. So let's meet on the other side, guys. Yes, people, actually I'm here, and I'm almost there. Not almost, but I'm here. I'm just here. So I've decided, let me start my video from this point, because I always love this spot because of the shade and the look that is behind me. I really love it. Yeah, and the sun now is out, but not completely out, but at least it's out. Oh my god, can you see some birds? Yeah, so I'm here, and I'm having my can with me, water can. So I'm going to check up first and see if maybe someone came and interfered, because yesterday I came and I found footsteps of a dog. Yeah, so let me go and confirm maybe whether it came back again. So then from there I'll be heading to the water point. So guys, that is it. Yeah. Ooh. And from this side we are having a cow grazing. Yeah, actually I really love the environment here, and one thing that I've always been I don't know how I'll call it, but for example, you see like these trees here, they were really many, and right now the owner have just sold them. They are now scattered. I don't know why people sell trees, but instead of keeping them, I don't know. Like this one, I've just sold all of them in like 2 months back. the power saw was all over inside here. Like it was just cutting them down. So right now, if you see, you can just see a lot of stumps. The trees have been cutted, so he has just left the small ones. So the ones that you are seeing, they are just small, very tiny. But the big ones, all of them, he cut them off, cut them down. You see those dry leaves are for the trees. Yeah, of which it's not advisable. But I don't know why people here actually normally like to sell trees. I don't know. Yeah, but there are some who maintain them. Like on the other side, if you look, it's far. It's up there. You can see there's a big forest on the other side. Actually, that forest is one of the biggest within here. And those trees have been there for a long period of time. And the owner have never even think of cutting them down. But I don't know why others really like to cut their trees down. Anyway, let's forget about that. It doesn't even concern me. But it's only hurts when you see someone cut trees down. You feel like go and talk to him, maybe try to convince him not to, but at the end of the day, it doesn't concern you, and the trees are not yours, so you have to just let it go. Yeah, so let's get back to the topic, our topic. So I'm here actually at the vegetable nursery. I'm standing right beside it, and here it is. Yeah, actually it's kind of dry. Yep. I'm trying to look for whether someone came and tried to interfere with it, but I'm seeing everything is alright here. The dog that was here yesterday actually didn't come back, so it means we're good to go. Yeah, we're good to go. So I'm gonna go and fetch some water so that I can come and water it and see how it's gonna be. Yeah, because I have to water it morning hours and evening hours. So right now it's past 10. Yeah, it's past 10 a.m. Actually it's not 12, it's 11 in the morning a.m. So I'm gonna go and bring some water so that I can get to water there and see how it's gonna be, and also we might call it a day from there. Yeah, so this is our way, and this over here, actually I'm walking in the middle of are they trenches or what? I think so. So they have just planted some cassava, so I'm just passing through in between. Yeah, actually people here, they like planting cassava and sweet potatoes and maize. Those are the main cash crops that are being planted over here, and people really like them because like maize corns, they are always in the market. Their market is always high, so people like planting very large scale of maize corns, followed by sweet potatoes, then cassavas. Yeah, and also on this side, this is how do we call it? Is it millet? Yeah, this is millet. This is millet. In Swahili we call it wimbi. Yeah, this is millet. Yeah, actually it's rare here. It's rare to find people having it, but it also really its market is also really high because it's used in the making porridge. Yeah, it's porridge actually, it's the best. When you mix it, when you take it, go mix it with some cassavas, then take it to the grind machine. Actually, I'm telling you the kind of porridge that you'll be having. You're the one to tell. Yeah, actually it's the best, especially for kids. Yeah, kids from let's say 6 months plus. Yeah, it's a better porridge for them. They really love it. Yep, so guys, I'm finally here. Yeah, I'm at the water, and here we go. Actually, this water, it has never been here for a long period of time. Yeah, even the owner told me that this water, the last time was seen like this, it's like 10 years ago. So it only happens like this when it's a season of rain season, and whenever the rain is too much, too heavy, that's how it's happened like this. In front of me, that is a gate, and that is the main road which passes through this way. Now that the rain has just rained, and the water have just overflowed, like it has now take over the road, like it has now overflowed all over the road, so you can't even know whether there is a road there or not. Actually, there is a main road passing through this, going to the center. So the water has just overflowed this way, and the owner is saying since this happened, it has been like 10 years ago, and now see, it has now come to happen this year also, 2025. So it's like, it's something that it's not normal. Yeah, to me, in this season, we've been received a lot of rain. Yeah, a lot of rain compared with last season, and also the last 2 past years maybe, because this water is really plenty, and it's not even showing any sign of disappear anytime possible, but it's gonna serve for some time, because you can see on the other side there is a person trying to make some bricks, and he's using this water to make some bricks, and I also am here to fetch it, go and water my nursery vegetable bed. So yeah, so guys, actually I'll be fetching this water, and it will be making work easier for me, rather than going fetch from the borehole, because there's some near homes, you see, so they have some boreholes on their compounds, but instead of going wasting time there trying to pull up from some 30 feet down, instead you just come here and fetch it easily and go. So I'm just here with my water can, and I'm gonna fetch it from this side, and I'll be using it until our kales grow up. Yeah, so let me fetch my water. Actually, this water is really many. It's really plenty. You can't even finish it right away. Yep, so let me go. Yeah, imagine I've not even used even 1 minute just fetching, just some seconds, and I'm done, and I'm here with my water now, leaving, you see. Yeah, so let's meet on the other side while I'll be watering the vegetable nursery. So guys, keep tuning, keep watching the video till the end. In fact, this is the moment now you can grab your cup of tea, or maybe glass of juice, sit down and relax, then enjoy the show. Yeah. Yeah, so guys, actually I'm done with watering. Hope you've seen how the whole process have been, and this is how now the vegetable bed looks like. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna now leave it like this. Yeah, so that I can give the seeds now the time to grow. So I'll be here in the evening also, yeah, to come and also water them. Yeah, but that one will be now off camera. Yeah, because in the evening you find the sun is too hot, so you'll have to come uh, on your pleasure time and do it. Yep. Yeah, so actually I think now we are done. Yeah, maybe for today we can just call it a day for now. Yeah, so that we get to see if tomorrow also hopefully we wakes up well, energetic, well health, breathing, then we're gonna continue. So guys, actually I'll still updating you more and more. There's more and more videos coming. Yeah, and hopefully you get to watch them and be there always, because I believe that so far so good. The progress that I'm making, actually they are huge. Yeah, the progress, I mean the progress are very huge, and I know you guys have a lot of questions to ask, you know, but I'm just there for you. Anything you feel like asking, just don't get yourself worried, just ask, and I'll be there for you answering. So for today, let me just call it a day, because I've already finished with what I was supposed to do, and tomorrow also is another day, and hopefully we'll be out here to continue with where we stopped. So from this side, I think I'm gonna end our video from this side. Yeah, so guys, actually allow me to end my video from this side, and remember, if you haven't subscribed to Kiza KE's channel, kindly subscribe. And if this might your first time coming across this channel, kindly don't be on a rush. You can just take your time, go through the channel. If you want to know something beyond the channel, I'm here, just ask me. And there's a lot of previous video and back videos there, go through them. Then if you want to know the whole story of the farm, just go through the channels, go through the videos, watch all of them, then you'll catch up with the others and you'll get to know where we are. And if you have more questions, I'm there for you always. So thank you guys till this point. Let's meet in tomorrow's video. Much blessings and stay positive always. Bye you all.